Wisconsin DECA members! Welcome to the second episode of the Wisconsin DECA Design Lab video series using Elements. My name is Scarlett Brown, and I am currently serving as your Vice President of Brand Management. Elements are an awesome way to bring your ideas to fruition, so let's jump right into it. Now, there are several different features that you will find in the Elements section, and the first one being your basic shapes. There are thousands of different shapes to choose from and use. If you want to change the color of a certain shape, you can go up here to where it says color, and you can click on any different kind of color you would like for your shape. If you want a certain shadow on your shape, you can go to effects, and you will find several different options to choose from. I usually like to use drop to add a shadow to my element, or sometimes echo, and you can use several different toolbars to edit how large you want the effect to look like. You can also change the transparency of a certain element, so if you go up here to these squares, you will find the transparency feature, where you can use the toggle bar to change how much an element is actually seen on your design. Next, in the Elements section, you'll find your graphics, and these are different ways you can decorate your post or design. So whether you're looking for certain animations, gradients, and there's also certain elements that are actually featured. There are so many different ways that you can add graphics to your design. Let's say you have two different elements and you want them to be the same style. So for example, this one is drawn and more detailed with more shadows, and this one is very simplistic. You can actually click on a certain element, go to style, and click on another element that you would like the style to be copied to, and Canva will do its magic and make the element a similar style to the other element you just selected. So as you can see, it made the element less detailed, much more simplistic, and ready to use for your next design. If you don't like the color of a certain element, you can go up here to the colors, and you can change the colors however you'd like. A little trick from me is if you click on an element and go to edit, you can scroll down to filters, and you can find all these different filters that you can apply to your element. I love to use duotone, so I can make one element the same exact color. So you can click on shadows and highlights, and this way you can create any element and make it the exact color that you want. Further, there's the charts, sheets, and tables down here for you to simplify your data. So if you are looking to add some data to your design, maybe you're sending your reflection to an advisor or to Wisconsin DECA, you can click on any of these one features and input your data here, and Canva will create some awesome bar charts, line charts, pie charts, etc. for you to use. The next feature of Elements is my favorite, and that is mockups. Mockups are a fantastic way to show off a product or service that your chapter is featuring. So for example, if you wanted to show off a new t-shirt design that you're proposing, you can insert an image into your mockup here by going to Uploads, clicking on an image, and dragging it into the little picture frame that you see right here. One of the coolest features of mockups are these videos, and you can click on certain videos that you want to portray a certain image of. So let's say I had a new design for my SBE and I wanted to create a coffee mug. I could click on this video and I could insert an image simply by going to Uploads and inserting an image into the picture frame, and then I would have this super high quality video. There are so many different features in mockups that can really bring your marketing materials to the next level, and I hope you use them. I hope you enjoyed the second episode of the Wisconsin DECA Design Lab video series using Elements. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please email brand@wideca.org. If you made it to the end of this video, comment what you learned about Elements. Thank you!